Your budget for you. Huh. You eat them all. You feed all 4 cans.
What the hell was that?